This is Kalonga Mwenda, a student at Baldwin High School and a Remake Learning Days Youth Ambassador. Remake Learning Days 2023 starts soon, and I hope you'll join me at the Assemble Learning Party Afro-futurism, hosted by Assemble at 4824 Penn Avenue on May 19th from 4 to 6 p.m. The Assemble Learning Party Afro-futurism is designed for anyone interested in arts, technology, and science, seen through an Afro-futuristic perspective. As a Remake Learning Days youth, I'll be following up with a story recapping the event. I hope to learn more about Afrofuturism and talk about art through that lens. To learn more about the Assemble Learning Party Afrofuturism, search on Google. The Assemble Learning Party Afrofuturism is just one of the hundreds of free events running during Southwestern Pennsylvania's Remake Learning Days celebration from May 4th to May 23rd. Learn more at remakelearningdays.org.